Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a macro to your Confluence page. So first log into your Confluence account and hit the plus button, create and click on page. Now, name your page, for example, how to add macro as a title. Get back to the page and type in / and head over to view more. In the search bar, just type in table of contents. Select this and table of contents and click on insert. And this way, your macro has been added to your page in Confluence. You can adjust this as you want. The bullet style include heading levels. How many heading levels you want here? From 1 to 6, for example. You can also include section numbers. You have also the address tab here to add some custom headings. Intent headings, you can add CSS code here. Here you can also add some keywords. All the headings, exclude some keywords from the headings, and you can also add your CSS class name to better adjust your macro in the Confluence page. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.